Welcome back, builders. Today we're gonna be taking off the tires so we can get off the front axle and do the differentials.
Yep, rear tires for the rear axles and rear diff. Already taken care of the front one, got the 488 gears in. We gotta do 488s in the rear, so we're gonna get after it today. Got that going the right direction?
Yep.
All right, we're gonna get set up. We're gonna get the brake caliper brackets pulled off. And then, yeah, we'll get the axles knocked loose and start working on the ring and pinion. All right, 18 millimeter, we're gonna get the brake caliper bracket off. I think. Oh, we had these off once before. They are snug. Oh, shoot. Need a bigger wrench. They're busted loose. See them? Got one here, one down there. Got them? Use our handy dandy little S bracket we made for the front. Use the same ones in the rear. Hold the brake caliper up out of the way. Assuming I can get it off. I think this would be easy since we had it off once before. There you go. It's up all the way. Rotor, sir. Get that out of the way. We need to get the what is it, four bolts off of the back of the axle. And I don't think the ratchet wrench will fit on there. Probably want to use this socket. Okay. Take this, get those out. I will work on getting the parking brake cable. Go on the back side, please. How we doing?
Good.
Remember we took this off once before to count the splines? Yeah, I think the other side's gonna be a little tougher to get off, but. You guys remember in our parts video, we got new
Count them.
chrome. We don't need to count anything, we already did, but we got new chromoly axles to put back in, so we can take these ones out and replace them. We'll have to press in the new bearings, the wheel speed, tone wheel, and then we got to press the lugs in too. So got a little bit of prep work to do on those still. Get that out of the way. Buddy, that's a lock nut on there. That thing's not going to be able to spin with your fingers until you have it pretty much all the way off. So you might as well leave the wrench on there and just keep going to town on it. I don't think it's going to look that easy on the other side. Oh.
What?
Oh, I just yanked the axle out, but I don't remember if we needed to take the wheel speed sensor out or not. Not the smartest idea, but out with the old. All right, so we did get the passenger axle out. Pretty much got everything ready to go to do the ring and pinion on here. We definitely fought this side a lot more than we did the driver's side since we hadn't had it out yet. We did the spline count in an earlier episode. Definitely had to use the brake rotor as a slide hammer, but sprayed a whole bunch of penetrating oil basically on the inner bearing here. Might have been seized on there. Just hung up pretty good, but I think that's a wrap for this session. Thanks for watching. See you next time.